Very good morning again. Well, Rajnish, I am here. Today, my lecture number is the 27, Class 8 Literature Reader, and here I am on the fourth, that is a poem topic, that is the Mike Tiavi, Royal Jai. Yesterday, in our class, we discussed very much about the soul and the hidden and the latent sense of this poetry. Actually, this poetry has been giving the best of updated, dysfunctional effect, demerits of the watching TV. How does TV having the negative impact over your upcoming lives, especially for the student? That's why the somewhere the writer, the poet remarked TV as a idiot box. Somewhere also considered TV as a monster. The best part of this poetry that when you will go for this study, you will find the structure of this poetry has been written in a couplet, C-O-P-L-A-T. And the couplet is nothing, it is simply a harmonious sense in the every line. Just I am showing you. See here. Here is a say, here is a away. Here is a entertain, here is explain. Here is a you, here is a do. You will find there is a complete hearing harmony, listening harmony, and pronunciation harmony in between the two lines, that is called the couplet. So, the poet regards each and every students must be considered a very, the poet is regarding each and every student a future brigade of a very good and great citizen of this globe. That's why they want to preserve your best of brain. They want to preserve your best of harmony. They want to preserve your best of learning sense. The only one remedy. There is only one resort and there is only one choice with the poetry to avoid television as far as possible. Because it is no way is going to give you the very good personality of the coming days. It will be make you mentally weakened. It will be complete, keep the junk in your mind. There will be a very less degree of the personality development. So he perceived, the poet perceived. Here I am next. I am starting from here. Here. His brain becomes as soft as cheese. As you know, the feature and the look of the cheese is, if you will touch the cheese, you will find that you can change its feature. Means the TV can change your feature, your mental feature. When your mental feature is the influenced by any non-living thing or living things, it is never be going to be a good for the coming future for your career or as well the career of our global city. His brain becomes as soft as the cheese. You will lose your guts, you will lose your confidence. His powers of the thinking rust and the freeze, as I made you very clear earlier, That these all the things will give you rest in your mind, and it will be make your brain cell dull. He cannot think, only sees, because you spoiled. You spared your maximum hours, minimum 4 hours in a working day, just keeping your eyes before television set. All night you will cry, all night you will say. But if we will take the shade away, sometimes if it happens, if the set is not there, what shall we do to entertain? What will be then the entertainment material for us? Think about the days when the TV was not in the market, TV was not in our home, TV was not a habitual instrument for us. How during that period the parents and the children used to spare their life. Yes, they had a very healthy friend. That was a book. They used to pay their special time over the books. One third of his the life was fully influenced by the books. If you are studying books, you are keeping eyes and the word open. You are not very much influenced with the vision, color. What shall we do to entertain our darling children? Please explain. The poet is putting this question when there was no TV in the early days. What was the choice? We will answer this by asking you. We use the darling ones to do. How used they keep themselves content before the monster was the infected. Here, the poet is so much displeased with the television. Television said that he remarked television as a monster. Have you forgotten? Don't you know? We will say it was the loud and the slow. The reply, whatever the associates, whatever the situation was there, without TV, that was the very healthy. They used to read, and read. Reading was a very developed and the cultured habit, and they read and then proceed. When you will know the things after the reading, definitely you will apply your imaginative, your fantasy, your learning, your study, says much and the much. And to read some more, the great Scott Gadajux. Here a word is the Gadajux. Gadajux means the archaic explanation of the surprise and the annoyance. Archaic means you cannot find very easily. So it is a mentally expression. It is a basically expression of a surprise. One of their life was the reading of the book. These days, every 4 hours, the boy spoiled their eyes and the brain by only watching the TV. During that period, they used to put the eyes over the text matter, and they had a better choice, and they had the better style for a learning during that period. Here, the two words, just as soft as cheese. Here, as is used as the simile. Simile, as you know, this is a very powerful example and the class of a simile where you will find as, like, and the such. This is a classic example of a simile. And then after rust and the freeze, here is also a resemblance, and that is a metaphor. And here is a Gadajux. Basically, Gadajux is a surprise and the annoyance. So in the meantime, I will conclude the English Alive 8 literature reader, especially the Mike T.V. Ronald Dahi poetry, that in a clear-cut sense, the poet do not want to promote the television. They want to leave this all the bad habit and get this idiot box and get this monster out from your room and your daily habit, and go for and promoting to read and read. In this way, I am concluding. In the meantime, you go for this poetry. This poetry is really a very productive for your life, and this is basically a moral for you avoid it. Watching TV, improve your healthy brain, improve your imaginative cells by keeping your eyes off TV and keep your always eye attentive towards your text matter. In the meantime, I am closing my lectures. Thank you very much. Stay home and safe.